Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code for the CP company Balaclava. This is their packaging, the original bag. It's so cool. You guys can see that. Okay, so this can be worn in a bunch of different ways. You can flip these goggles up or down. This is a brand new army green balaclava with ski goggles. See, flip them down, and then you snap them at the sides. Super dope, so cool. They're sold out in stores. I have this one available for sale. And so first we're gonna check CP label. Okay, we have the CP company tags. Okay, there's some extra hardware in there if you need it. CERTI logo. Tells you in the back here how to authenticate the product by scanning the QR code. I'm also going to do a live scan of it right now. Okay, so the labels are always on the inside. So first we'll check out the embroidered CP company label. Look, I mean the quality is so good, it's so soft. Let me show you the quality real quick. Super soft, that rib knit. So nice, love a rib knit. Okay, so QR code is the first label right here. So you're gonna need another device like your phone, an iPad, something where you can basically put your device in picture mode, okay? So I have my device in picture mode here, okay? And what I'm gonna do, scan over that code. Okay, it's already picked it up. Once you scan over the code, it's gonna go open CERTI logo in Safari. Yes, we're gonna do that. Takes you to the site, and you just go through the questions. You're gonna enter the code at the end, and once the code is entered, it'll tell you right away if it's real or fake. This code is 100. This is a 100% authentic. I have already authenticated this item, but I hope that helps you out, guys. Gives you some information about scanning QR codes. I hope that helps. Everybody take care, and this item is available for purchase if interested. Okay.